Wow, very good.
Meanwhile, earlier today, number 10 Morgan. Apparently not.
What?
You step on it. Oh, that's what I'm saying.
June, your freaking butt smells like poop, dude. Get the fuck.
Why did you let this cat in our house?
Can you read this? Oh my god!
It's like so cute, but it's not, cause both y'all breath fucking stink.
Why you don't like? She's part of the family. This is your granddaughter. What? You already had a chicky pie.
And to not give you any treats anymore. Yeah.
Let's see how many kisses my cat can take. Kiss your cat and see their reaction.
뭉지야. 뭉지야. 어머머머.
Where are you? Oh God. Oh God. You're trying to hide.
Pilihan sa Maya, bacon.
Or makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver speed? Oh!
I hate cleaning your litter box. You shit like a grown man. I gotta slave away. I'm sorry.
You're not very nice.
You're on a diet, bud. Because you're too fat.
Have you been hunting? What are you bringing your mom? Did you get a mouse? Oh, good boy. What is it? What is that? Is that a fucking bunny rabbit?